Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Patke and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Big news coming in for Mumbai Indians fans. The franchise has appointed the South African coach Mark Boucher as their head coach from IPL 2023 season onwards. As we know that Mark Boucher is going to resign from his role as the coach of South African national cricket team after the T20 World Cup, which is going to conclude in Australia next month. Mark Boucher and his team were in contact with couple of franchises for the gig in the IPL, but now they have decided that they will go with Mumbai Indians, and Mumbai Indians also has appointed Mark Boucher. Many of the current generation fans, the young fans of Indians, teenagers, don't know about Mark Boucher much. But he was a very accomplished player in his own right, one of the greatest wicket-keeper batsmen the game has ever seen. He was also the wicket-keeper coach of Kolkata Knight Riders for the 2016 season. This was when Gautam Gambhir was the captain of KKR. He was first with KKR, and then he switched over to RCB during the latter part of his IPL career. He also played for the Titans in the South African domestic system. He represented South Africa in 147 test matches, took 532 catches, 23 stumpings, both of which are a record. Total 555 dismissals in Test cricket. In 295 ODIs, he effected 403 catches and 22 stumpings. His grand total is 999. Unfortunately, his career was cut short by a freakish injury. He got against Somerset at a warm-up game before the 2012 series against England of South Africa. Which, if you might remember, that South Africa won the series against England and became the world number one Test team. That three tests were going to be his last, but unfortunately, the eye injury was very serious and he was forced to retire midway. In four tests, he also captained South Africa and he was a very able deputy of Shaun Pollock. As we know that Shaun Pollock was sacked from captaincy in 2003 after South Africa failed to progress past the group stage in the 2003 World Cup. In four test matches, he also had a win over South Africa, over Australia, I beg your pardon, which even Shaun Pollock didn't manage. In December 2019, he was appointed as coach of the South African team. From August 2016 to December 2019, he was the head coach of Titans, the team he has played with throughout his career, first class cricket, and his tenure has been marked by a tremendous improvement in the ability and tremendous confidence amongst the players, especially the white ball side. As we know that he is a very astute planner, tactical thinker. He plans very well, and his reign in Cricket South Africa as head coach is not very rosy, I would say. There were some controversy, including the Paul Adams and social justice hearings and all that sort of stuff. Also, the coach Nkeve, who was the assistant, he resigned because he felt that Mark Boucher was sidelining him and his inputs were not necessarily implemented in the team discussions, and his suggestions were sidelined. But we cannot deny the fact that despite the fact that first time India last year went to South Africa to play the test series, India were favourites, and after a comprehensive thumping of South Africa in the first test, many thought that India will clinch its first ever series victory against South Africa on the South African soil, but that wasn't to be. Excellent tactical decisions in the second and third test enabled Dean Elgar and Mark Boucher to turn the tide, and it came against a backdrop of personal tension for Mark Boucher because the result of the social justice hearing wasn't announced yet, and there was constant scrutiny among how he treated Paul Adams and other player of colors, including Makaya Ntini, in their dressing room during his playing days. But he cleared the clutter and didn't let it affect his coaching responsibilities. And Mahela Jayawardene, who has now been promoted as the global head of performance for Mumbai Indians, also mentioned in the Twitter video that Mark Boucher thinks differently, and his ability to read the game well is one of the most magnificent around the coaches in the current world. Mark Boucher takes over from Mahela Jayawardene. Jayawardene had led a successful tenure, despite the fact that his last 2 years were less than successful, I would say, for a franchise of Mumbai Indians. In 2017, he took over and he won the title instantly In 2017, 2019 and 2020, Mahela Jayawardene also became the second most successful coach in IPL history, just behind Stephen Fleming, who has 4 titles. And now, as we know, that Mumbai Indians has purchased teams in South Africa T20 League as well as Abu Dhabi T20 League. Mumbai Cape Town. Their coach has been named. Robin Peterson is the bowling coach. Simon Katich has been named as the head coach, and James Pament, who is the fielding coach of Mumbai Indians, will also act as a fielding coach of MI Cape Town. MI Emirates is yet to name the coach. Zahir Khan has also been promoted, and he will, as a assist Mahela Jayawardene in the further operations of the Mumbai Indians. Akash Ambani, Mumbai Indians owner, said that he believed that Boucher would add immense value to the 5-time champions with proven expertise as a coach both on and off the field. Mark Boucher also knows the enormity of the task that he has that is cut out for him, but he seems ready. His statement is that it's an honor and privilege to be appointed as head coach of Mumbai Indians. Their history and achievement as a franchise clearly put them up there as one of the most successful sporting franchises in all of world sport, which is quite true. I look forward to the challenge and respect the need for result. It's a strong unit with great leadership and flair. I look forward to adding value to this dynamic unit. So we have to read between the lines. He also said that despite the fact that the next season is going to be his first season, many coaches seem to take time and results are not a priority for them. They say that they need to figure out the team combination for a few games. They will need to work out which player suits well for which role. But Mark Boucher also knows the harsh realities of the IPL and of the T20 circuit in general, but more so in the IPL, because IPL is the best T20 league in the world by far. He said that I look forward to the challenge and respect the need for results. So he has to simultaneously build the team culture, the team process. He has to identify the core players. He has to build rapport with senior players like Jasprit Bumrah and Rohit Sharma, which he will surely do, as well as Kieron Pollard. And he has to look for the results, because as we know that since 2020, when the IPL took place in the UAE due to COVID-19 pandemic in India, in 2021 MI failed to qualify for the semi-final stages, as well as in 2022, which was the most disappointing campaign in their history. They finished last, which was not at all good for a franchise like Mumbai Indians, and it is detrimental to their value. But I don't think it has eroded their fan base or support base, as we know that Mumbai Indians is the most followed franchise in the world, as well as in India, followed by CSK. So the brand MI has taken quite a few hits in the couple of seasons, but I'm sure Mark Boucher will do everything in his power to reverse the tide and bring Mumbai Indians back to their glory days. So Mahela Jayawardene also said the same, that Mark Boucher's tactical knowledge will play a key role in Mumbai Indians getting back to the top. And Mahela Jayawardene has been promoted as a global head of performance. Now he will analyze Mumbai Indians Cape Town, as well as the franchise in the UAE league, their collective performances, and give additional inputs where there needs to be some improvement, and Zahir Khan will also assist him in this process. So all in all, new start for Mumbai Indians, and I hope it is a success for them in the next season, which is going to be IPL 2023. So how did you like my analysis of this news? Please tell in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon for further notifications. We'll meet in the next video. Till then everyone, bye, and requesting once again, please subscribe.